Where's Sani well positioned?
Yeah, he needs somebody running to that near post.
Sereno gets it back. Referee points to the spot. There was a handball. Delivery en route to the head of Lilepo. Well, it hasn't been converted yet, but the roar around the stadium is as if it was already for Ignacio Miguel. They lost in their National Cup final against Raja Casablanca, who were coached by former Pirates mentor Russell Zimbabwe. Prior to that, with Young Africans, they went to their National Cup final in 2023 and 2022. We'll get back to that because Gaston Sereno has gone down under a challenge touching his face, so there could be further punishment meted out here. Let's see what a second viewing tells us. Years, William Shongwe. They won the National Cup 10 times. We'll get back to that as Ashley Kapua works the space. The responsible party here, or at least culpable for this incident, and very likely could be in the bookie who could be in trouble, yeah. Risk of the thing is with Lewis, just how much time did he have to pull out? It looks obvious the goalkeeper ball.
No, he's not moving. That is considered his second booking. Let's see.
Wicket corner, equaliser! Andre de Jong is claiming the touch. It was all about the delivery from the set piece. It was absolutely superb. Clever from the Kiwi. The Pirates are already waiting. Shabalala's corner.
Going across. I know some have made it happen, but I never tried it because for such reason. It's good when you do it and it works, but the risk is very high. How much time was left though for anything else to happen after that?
Don't forget to subscribe and follow my YouTube channel. Thank you, Kaizer Nation.